Okay, video inspection for 6782 Runnymede. We replaced a water heater. Permit number 2023533. Here's next to the AC, there's our pressure relief coming outside. Going into the garage, there's high combustion air vent, and there's a low one. Our flue pipe, we've got sealing ring screwed properly. Water lines are insulated. Expansion tank, earthquake straps, new gas cock, gas flex. We're rated for 40,000. Gas flex is rated for 82,000. New drip leg, drain pan, secondary drain clamped. And going inside, 3-bedroom. We have, coming to the hallway, here's our carbon monoxide alarm. We have smoke detectors. Bedroom number 1, smoke detector. And coming down this way, bedroom 2, smoke detector, and 3rd bedroom is our smoke detector. That's it.